Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. If you deleted your Google account and now cannot recover it, do not worry. In this video, I will show you how to understand and follow the official Google recovery process. First, open any browser on your phone or computer. In the search bar, type Google Help and tap Enter. Now open the official Google Help website from the results. This is the safest place to get correct recovery information. Once the page opens, tap on the search bar on the website. Type Recover Deleted Account and search. Now tap on the result related to recovering a deleted Google account. Read this page carefully because it explains important rules and limits. Scroll down and tap on Follow the steps to recover your account. You will now be redirected to the Google account recovery page. Here, enter the email address of the Google account you deleted. Tap on Next to continue. Now follow the on-screen instructions shown by Google. Answer all the questions honestly and carefully. If Google asks for your old password, enter it if you remember. If you do not remember it, tap on Try Another Way. Google may send a verification code to your recovery email or phone number. Enter the code if you receive it. If you do not get a code, keep selecting Try Another Way. Google may ask questions about account creation or past activity. If your account was deleted recently, recovery usually works. If too much time has passed, recovery may not be possible. After successful verification, create a new strong password. Your Google account will now be recovered. If this video helped you, give it a like. Subscribe to Guide Pro for more account recovery and fix videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.